And welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a review for you. This one is by Gucci. Today is all about perfumes. I love anything that smells mega gorgeous. Yeah, don't go away. Alright, let me quickly show you what I got. Okay, let me bring this close so you can see it. The box is sturdy with this flower on top. Look at the side. Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. Gucci Flora Gardenia. I wanted to get this perfume last year. I went to Sephora. I couldn't find it. Went to Nordstrom. They asked me to order it. Where I was, I couldn't stay for it to get to me. To avoid that confusion, sending to the wrong address, I decided to let go that year, which is last year. So this year, I lay my hands on what is in this box. As I said before, the box is strong and sturdy. No, and as a courtesy, they offered me a bouquet of flowers. Right, a bouquet of flowers. The packaging. Look at those bags. Look at that. I love really good floral patterns in a well designed box. Good. Okay, let's bring this out. There's two perfumes in here. This one and this one for touch up. And if you watch me, you will know. If I see any perfume in the store that got this, I would definitely go for this because I love to put this small one in my bag. Yeah, as I said before, the box is strong and sturdy. Look at that. We have these two perfumes in here, this one and this one for touch up. And if you watch me, you will know. If I see any perfume in the store that got this, I would definitely go for this because I love to put this small one in my bag. Yeah, let's quickly look at this. The packaging is so good. It is so good. So you see, this is what we got here with this gold cover, and this feels so heavy. This is actually what is called Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. Look at that. Looking at this, all that you say is just flowers, and it's right here. Look at that. My normal me will not really like something like this, but the scent speaks loud. It's just plain. I'm trying to get the size. I have the 100 ml and 10 ml. I have the size. Okay, this can always go in my handbag. Let me tell you what they said about this particular perfumes. Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia Perfume is a delicious portion of joy built around the gardenia flower, blended with solar jasmine absolute, cheerful pear blossom accord, and sweet brown sugar accord. Alright, behind here, they said the same thing on the bottle. I've tried this. I tried this in the store. Okay, and this smells so good. Gucci printed on top. The first thing you notice is the weight. The bottle feels so heavy. To open it, okay, the bottle don't feel cheap at all. Let's try this just for the purpose of this video. So good. This is a very fresh fragrance. If you are looking for a good fragrance for spring, I will advise you go for this Gucci Flora. Ah, so good. And it's very light. If you don't like heavy perfumes, go for it. This is the type of perfume I would like to use at night because it kind of smells like, yeah, it smells like fresh linen accent, very light floral base. I will say this one goes well with the name. The Gucci Flora smells just as expected, perfect for a gift. With the smell, I will say is just as expected. It smells so good, no doubt. If you were a floral queen just like me, you will definitely love this one. I would say I'm impressed. Yeah, before I went for this perfume, I read some reviews. They were complaining about the size, that the bottle is so small. It feels so heavy. It feels so heavy. Yeah, it feels so heavy. That's all I can say for now. Right. It's very sweet and romantic. Yeah, this smells good. Good. It just sits right. Okay. With this one, you get loads of compliments. So good. So, so good. You get good compliments. Okay. People will always, stop you, ask you what you're wearing. I'll say I love the fragrance. The price, let me check. I think I still have the receipt. That will help me not to make a mistake. I don't want that. Let me check to see if I still have the receipt here. Okay, 100 ml, 10 ml. Got this for $173. With the price, I would say not bad. I read a review where someone really complained about the price. I don't mind because it smells so good. Longevity. I will say this is where I'm having problems. To be honest with you, I would say this fades so quickly. It's so sad, okay? You will just use it. Even I tried as much as applying it. I'm always very generous with my perfumes, but still, right? It disappears on me, I would say, after, let's say, 2 hours. Yes, yes, but it smells so good. Should you try Gorgeous Gardenia? I will say you can go ahead, give it a try. If you want something that lasts long on you, I'll advise you don't go for this. But if you don't mind, go ahead. You will love it. It smells so good. So, so good. So fresh, Okay, and I have my tips. Okay, I don't use one perfume. I always mix my perfume. Knowing that this will fade so quickly, alright, so what I do, I use perfumes that last long. By doing so, yeah, I don't notice it. Yes, I don't. But if you're not about that, don't go for it. You mix two, three, go ahead, you will love it. As I said before, to what I like about this perfume, I honestly love the way it smells. That's one thing I love about it. When I said I love it with my whole heart. I love it. So this small one, okay, yeah, this you can as well, yeah, just like the main bottle. It smells the same. If you are looking for something more affordable, I'm sure there are lots of good perfumes out there that are very affordable. My problem is the smell does not last. That is just it. They should have done better. Victoria's Secret scents, even Bath and Body Works scents, most of them last longer than this. It's okay, just for the scent. Yeah, other than that, it's good just for the amazing scent. Okay, yeah, and the color. If you are all about this color, all right, yeah, okay. Will I go for this after this one? Mm, you got my answer, right? That's it. All right. I expect this to at least up to 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours at least, but it fades so quickly. Okay. Yeah, I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.